Pi guy here. I'm going to show you how to make a GIF, a GIF, using Lightroom, and we're going to be using a program called LR Time-Lapse 5, which is a separate program altogether. Piece of software that you have to download. So I already have that installed. You could just Google it, LR Time-Lapse 5. And so as you can see, we have Lightroom open. So we just need to import our photos, which we'll just click on that. Then you just click on the source or wherever they are. And as you can see, mine's grayed out because I already have mine imported to save some time for this video. So what we're going to do is we're not going to do anything with these pictures here. I'm not. These are JPEGs. This is from my Raspberry Pi Go's satellite setup. So I mean, this can be non-related to my YouTube channel whatsoever. You know, any photos we could turn into a GIF. So what we're going to do is, now that I have these imported, there's 45 photos altogether. We're going to go to File, Export. Then once you have this software installed, this should come up. So we're just going to let this at original, JPEG 8-bit. Now I don't have the Pro. This is the free version. So what we're going to do is, you can name your sequence whatever. So we'll just say new folder 2. And it's going to save it under new folder that's on my desktop. So we're just going to hit export. So this is going to export all these photos. Then if everything goes well, once this is done, LR time-lapse will pop up so we can render a video. So I'll pause this, then come back when it's done. Alright, so now that it's exported, LR time-lapse here is up so we can render this video. So I'm just going to do 720. You can do 1080 if you feel like, but I'm just going to do 720. We don't want to force it because, as you can see, it won't get all the pictures. So we'll just let it go like normal. We'll go to 30 frames. And this is just going to output this in my folder. So we'll just hit render. And as you can see down here, it's going to start. Now, if this was on a Mac, it would be done already. But it's Windows. Don't mind the noise in the background. It's just my rabbit trying to chew its way out of the hutch. So now once this is done, which it won't take very long here with only 45 photos, we're going to open up Photoshop. So we'll just pause this until it's done. Alright, so once that's done, you can close out of Lightroom and all that. We don't need it. So what we can do now is open up Photoshop, and we're going to open up the folder that pertains to our video here, our little movie clip that we rendered. So there we go, we have it there. So we're going to open this up. Now the thing is, if you have a video already and you want to turn it into a GIF, all you need is Photoshop. It's one of the ways to do it. You could basically start from this step here, other than rendering photos and all that stuff. If you already have a video somewhat of something, we can do it here. So, okay, so now that it's open, we could play it if we feel like and change it around or whatnot, but we're just going to leave this alone and not do anything with it. So what we're going to do is simply go to File, Export, then Save for Web. Click on that. Once it comes up, as you can see, GIF. Now you can let it the way it is or make it smaller or whatnot, whatever you feel like. Like I said, this is running a little bit slow because of my screen recorder. It takes a lot of power. A lot of CPU. So alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to say 75%. And down here you can change it for just that it loops over and over, or 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and so on. I have these locked here because this is a square photo, so I want my width and height being in the same pixels. So since it's not like a widescreen 16:9 image or whatnot, but we might just go to 50%. I think that's what I did on my other ones. But you can always play around with it and do what you feel like. So alright, so with that being said, all we need to do is click Save. Then we'll just click Desktop. Then we'll just say GIF goes save. And it's saving. Alright, so now what we can do is get out of that. And so that you guys know that this works, I'll bring up my Raspberry Pi Go satellite Facebook page. Then we'll go to upload photo video. Alright, then we'll just click on it, hit open. So we'll just say goes 16. Images, I guess. Now it'll show like this until it's uploaded, so but let me pause this. Alright, so now it says they're processing it, so we'll see here. Click home here again. Alright, just now, so there it is. And there you go. That's how you make a GIF, and you can upload it to Facebook. Alright, thanks for watching.